Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Herby Crumbed chicken. Really easy to do, and we're going to cook it really nice and healthily. Alright, let's get on with it. Right, so here I've got a bowl, and I'm going to add some slices of bread, around about 4 slices of fresh bread. Right, I've torn those up into little pieces. Now I'm going to start seasoning this up. Freshly ground black pepper, lots of it, and we want a nice good dash of white pepper as well. Okay, add that in, and a good amount of salt. Right, just put that straight in on top of all those torn up pieces of bread, just like that. Really simple to do. And let's make up our herbs. I'm going to add in a good tablespoon's worth of dried oregano, around about the same amount again of dried chives. That can go straight in, just like that. I'm also going to add in a good dash of some dried dill. That goes in, just like that. And also some dried parsley. And you could also add in a little bit of dried thyme if you really want to. Give that a quick stir, just like that, just to get everything sort of incorporated. Alright, now let's make up our crumb. So get out your food processor and start adding your herbs and your bread into the food processor. Don't overcrowd it. I've learnt that in the past. It's a good way to destroy a food processor. Alright, I'm going to put the lid on for safety, and I'm going to give that a blitz for around about 30 to 45 seconds, or until I think I've got quite a nice looking crumb. And your crumb should look something like that. Okay, really nice and fine. Alright, continue with the rest of the breadcrumb. Put that into a bowl, and I'm also going to stir in some grated pecorino cheese. You can use pecorino, or if you want, you can use parmesan as well. Right, I like the pecorino. It's got a bit of a more sharp flavour. Right, put that in. Give all that a stir once again to incorporate that grated cheese and breadcrumb mixture and herbs and seasonings. Right, give all of that a quick stir. Very, very simple. Now, here I've got some chicken thighs, and I'm just going to put the whole chicken thigh into a little bit of egg, just like that, with one hand. Remove the spoon from the breadcrumb mixture, because we don't want the spoon incorporated in with our chicken. All we're going to do now is put the breadcrumb over the top of the chicken thigh and egg mixture, just like that, and make sure we get a really nice coating on there. These types of crumb will take a fair bit of bread to get a good coating, and we want to protect that chicken thigh as much as possible. And I'm using chicken thigh. It's got a little bit more fat, which means it's got a little bit more flavor, and that fat will come out and help that crumb really come to life when we cook it off. Now, as you can see on the left hand side, I'm putting those onto a wire rack with a bit of baking paper underneath, and I've got my oven sitting at 180 degrees, and all I'm simply going to do is put those in for 40 minutes, and 40 minutes later they're going to come out looking just like that. How quick and easy was that to do? You can put it in the oven, forget about it for 40 minutes, and come back and eat it. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it, and I'd love to see you try and make this recipe at home. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to all of them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make some really nice, beautiful Herby Crumbed chicken just like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my Herby Crumbed chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.